Guys are still over here cutting stuff down. I would like to get rid of all of these trees, and then none of them are mine except for this one. All the other ones are theirs. The next door neighbors. 65. That's the degrees out right now. 65. He's got a dead tree climber. He left it out in the rain, man. It's fucking raining for 3 days. What the fuck you want? Won't even start. Looks like a brand new machine, too. Yeah, he's angry because it ain't running. Cold out, 65. Never really cleaned up at all today to say that it was nice out. It's a slight little breeze, but it's cool. Yeah, your machine ain't running, people. Look at this. No flowers on it, but that thing is nice. Gotta be something going on with it that it's not starting. It's a rented unit that ain't starting. Alright, well, enough of that. You saw that didn't move, didn't work, didn't do nothing, so I'm not liable.